started. Okay. Yeah. Now, today we'll discuss about alerts. Alerts. And you people already know about it, alerts. So now, I'll take one website. Okay. I will share the screen. I'll share the screen here. Okay. Okay. We will also slowly learn how to find different elements in the website. Okay. So let me go step by step. Okay. Let me open this first website and see what are there. You people told Rajnikant that day. So Rajnikant is typing or not? Browser has launched Facebook and Rajnikant is written like this. Okay, Rajnikant has written like this. Like that. Okay. So you have gone for Facebook, right? You have gone to Facebook. Okay. So where is this Selenium Basics? Selenium Basics. Okay. This is to open the browser. 2 seconds wait. Maximize the browser. 2 seconds wait. Open the website. 2 seconds wait. After that, it's all finding element and do this, do that, and all those things. With your permission, I will copy this. Okay, not now. Because I already copied a website, I want to paste it. Handling alerts is the program. Public static void main. Okay. What is the name of the website? We'll see. This is the name of the website. With your permission, this piece of code, I will handle. I will copy paste. So I'll cut this guy and replace here. You can use surround with try catch. If you do surround with try catch, it will come like this, which we don't need. So Control Z. This error to resolve it, add throws declaration. Beside the main method, throws interrupted exception will come like this. Save it. Now, if I open before that, can anybody tell me what will happen here? Anybody? Let me see the confidence.
So Chrome driver will open.
Fantastic.
So then it maximize the window.
Fantastic.
And it will wait for 2 seconds and it will get the URL.
Fantastic. Very good. Yeah. So let's see if it's doing or not. So there are different ways in which you can find the address of an element. That is like mathematical problems type of thing. Okay. So if we do only mathematical problems for one type, right? Plus minus, we cannot learn other things, right? Algebra and all, trigonometry. So I'm trying to go everywhere, wherever there is possible, right? At one time I'll do plus, another time I'll do minus, another time I'll do multiplication, like that. Okay, here only I'll be doing different ways of finding the XPath. Okay, now there are different ways of finding the XPath. XPath means address of the element. See, we are like courier person I was telling, right? So you have to do anything in the website, you have to go there, right? So suppose you want this text, right? So this is a web element. This is a web element. This is a web element. Like that, I think this is also a web element. These are also web element. Okay. Anything you want to do, you have to know the address of that person. That is why finding or practicing the XPath is very important. Practicing the XPath, very important. I'll also give you a lot of cheat sheets also I'll give so that you can practice the XPath. There are 8 ways of locating the elements. There are 8 ways of locating an element. Locating an element. There are 8 different ways of locating an element. What are those 8 different ways? We will see. Okay. ID, name, class name, tag name. Okay. Link text, partial link text, XPath and CSS selector. Interview question for less than 5 years of experience. What are the what are the what are the 8 different ways of locating an element? Please by heart it. Okay. Don't take chances. Don't take chances. Please by heart it. You may know a lot of things, but you're struggling to remember one or two, right? Telling 6 or 7. They will think that you have not practiced enough. I'm telling practice this also. Write it few times. Okay. For your, I'm telling silly mistakes. Silly mistakes, life changes. Okay. Very good company, but the interviewer is not strong. He will think that you should know this and you have not by hearted. You're struggling for one or two, right? Don't do that. By heart it. Now, you are seeing one JavaScript alert here. I need to go and exactly click here. If I click here, I'll get 3 buttons like this. 3 buttons, these 3 buttons. See, I have got 2 options to find out a website today live. Are they having alerts today or not? I have to check. So rather than that, I am only generating an alert by clicking one of the button, and websites will also not have all 3 alerts at one places, right? So this alert will have only OK button. This alert will have only OK button. This alert will have OK and cancel button. Okay, OK and cancel button. And then this here you can type something. Type something. Prompt will be there. You can type something. For example, if I click here, somewhere around here, model window will come. Model window means, I'll tell you what it is. Model window means you cannot do anything without closing that. I'm clicking here. This has come. Now try to click this, click this, click this. No, you cannot. So until and unless you don't switch to this alert, and then yesterday I forgot one method was there for OK. What was the method? Anybody? Okay, anybody? Which method? Driver dot switch to dot alert dot.
Accept.
Very good, very good. Accept. So accept. Please, everybody, please try to close it then and there. your best chance of clearing the interview is then and there you close it. Please leave Java and object oriented for some time. If you are able to close Selenium portion, then go to Java and object oriented. Right now, focus only on Selenium. Don't always stay back. Okay. This is different subject now. Now, at least this just like a class 7th, you didn't do well, right? So class 8th, when it starts, right? Okay, this time I will become topper. If many people will have that feeling, right? Exactly like that you need to have. So that Java object oriented will take care. I know what it is roughly, but let me be a champion in Selenium right now. And because it is easy. If I am doing one program, you do 10 programs in Selenium, I'm telling you, nobody can deny you job. I'm telling you. If I'm doing one program, you do 10 programs on that. Okay. That will give you immense confidence. It's all hands-on. The real work that you'll be working in the project is this one only. Not even too much Java and too much object-oriented. Until unless you are creating a framework. So my request to all of you is that please write as many programs as possible. As many programs as possible, please write. Because, I mean, try to target at least 100 Selenium programs. Start from today 100 Selenium programs by July 20. Let me see who reaches there. Who reaches 100 Selenium programs by July 20? Go for any website, face some challenges, ask ChatGPT, I'm facing this challenge. Try to resolve it. Don't come to me. Till 20th, don't come to me. Okay? Please try to resolve on your own. Okay? Is that fair enough? Fair, right? Yes, no?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh, you want to write a, can you just show me a template or a sample of what is that program style you want expecting? Because I'm not sure.
Yeah. I'll tell you. I
Yeah,
will tell you, just give me just another half an hour. Half an hour.
sure, sir. Thank you.
Sure. So, yeah. So, and always I'm telling you, okay, just I was kidding. You can always reach out to me. Everybody, you can always reach out to me. Okay, because on the in the during the daytime also I speak with lot of people. Okay, like very minimum only single liners only, but you can always reach out to me. Okay, if any issue is there, I'll try to resolve. Okay, but I want you people to be self-reliant. Okay, because nobody is going to help you in the project, right? So it's like riding the cycle. Okay, so somebody has to leave the handle, I mean carrier or something, they catch, right? They have to leave it. So like that. Now this is having okay button. If you see, right, you successfully clicked on alert. If I click here and this time I'll cancel it, you clicked on cancel. Maybe you might have to write a test case. Not now, I'll tell you how to do. Right now we are only doing world tour. World tour means like France, Paris, okay, like that world tour. Drop down how to handle, text box how to handle, like that in the different websites I'll be sure. Then you will do the testing part. And if this is the third one where you can type something, right, as I showed here. Okay. So our step one will be to click this one. Okay. That means I have to find this element, right? Otherwise, it can click somewhere here. It can click somewhere here. I need to find this element. So to find this element means I need to, okay, I need to find the X path of this web element. All are web elements. These all are web elements. These all are web elements. So I need to find the X path of this element. And what I need to do, it's a link, right? Can anybody tell me what I have to do? Should I type something on top of JavaScript alert or should I click it?
Click it.
Anybody else? No. Anybody else? Anybody else? So many are there.
Click it on this.
Click only, sir.
No, only two are people are talking, right? Others click or type. Anybody?
Click, sir.
Click.
Click.
Okay. ठीक है. Please be active. So I will find this element. How to find this element is the thing. So there are different ways of doing that. Okay. So I will right click this. I will right click exactly like this here. And last you are finding this inspect. Click here. 3 times I'm showing. Right click here. Inspect. If required, take a screenshot. Okay. Like this you click. Again, once again. Right click. Inspect. Many of you might have already done. You may find this very silly. I found it very difficult. Believe me, I'm telling you, I found it very difficult initially. Okay, wow, how this is happening and all. And you don't know corporate training. Corporate training means fatafat, 5 days entire course is over. 8 hours per day. Nothing will be inside. Okay, so no time to digest then and then. If you're lagging, then you'll always lag. Okay, like this. So this is right side is called DOM. This right side is called DOM. What it is called? DOM. Not that wala. Mushkili nahi, namumkin, right? That is DOM. This is DOM. Okay. DOM means document object model. Document object model. मतलब HTML है, कुछ नहीं है. HTML, hypertext markup language. Okay. So this is your DOM. This is your DOM. But sometimes a lot of things can be happening here. Okay. And half screen is not good enough. So I will click here. 3 dots, you click here. Overlap you want, or left side website, right side DOM, or right side website, left side DOM. Upar niche is very good, right? Upar niche is very good. So let's click the upar niche wala like this. Okay. So it has come now down. That's all. Okay. I'll do it again. Right click, inspect. Okay. It has come now. Second time it will not come. Okay. So it has taken this as default. Now, let me clear this. Okay. So JavaScript alert, I have to pick, I have to find that as right click here and tell inspect. There are, you have, integral calculus, differential calculus, yes or no? Integral calculus, especially 12th class, 11th class.
Forgotten, Rajkumar.
At least heard of it, right? I mean, forgot.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So different ways will be there to solve, right? It will never be over, right? Big books of only integral calculus and we used to do almost like that. You will have here 99% it is easy. 99% it is easy to find the X path. Now with the ChatGPT it has become 100%. Okay, to find the X path. Okay, so but you need to practice at least 1000 X paths. How many X paths you have to practice? 1000 X paths. Okay, different ways, different syntax will be there. Okay, I will show you, but I want to go very slow. Now // tag name text, okay, is equal to single quotes. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. After a long time I'm doing Selenium, even my hands are shaking. Okay, that is what programming is all about. Okay, and it's not long also. It's maybe 1 month back. Okay, So this is the tag name. The first one after the less than symbol, right? That is the tag name. Okay. The first one after the symbol, right? So I'll write it here. Okay. So in red color, I'll write. Okay, red color. Tag name, attribute, value. Okay. So value will be in double quotes. Okay, generally. Okay, like this. So what is tag name, you know? The less than symbol, right? See, L1 is a tag name. The first one is a tag name always. Okay, so this less than symbol is there, no? This is also tag name. L1 is also tag name, like that. That is a tag name. href is there, no? Href, that is your attribute. And उस href का value, the href का value is this one. Okay. href का value is this one. But I am using the text. I am using the text here. I can use that one also. Slowly I'll be doing. The first one after the, okay, the first one after the less than symbol, that is your tag name. This is your tag name. Okay. And the href is there, no? The href is there, no? That is the attribute value. That is the attribute value. And the value in double quotes is nothing but this one. And they are like mapped together. Okay, like this. There will be one more here. Attribute value, attribute value, attribute value, like that. Name, ID, class name, like that it will be there. The first one after the less than symbol is tag name. href is your attribute. And this is the value. Clear it. Okay. Now I'll take a notepad. Okay, in front of you. And I'll minimize the notepad. Either here notepad. Okay, notepad is here. Okay, so notepad is here. I will type it. Okay, this one // okay, I'll increase the font also. // tag name, because if I type there, no, it will go away. That's why tag name text is equal to single quotes, whatever the value, whatever. Okay, whatever is the value, that value I have to give. Okay, not even one mistake I have to do. So // what is tag name? Anybody tell me, no? What is tag name?
Yeah.
Or Darren, only you are answering, Darren. Okay. Darren, you did earlier, right? Somewhere at least you did, right? At least little touch.
Complete, I know, Raj.
Yeah. So let others also know here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. // a. Then anybody else? What I have to give? Text is equal to. Okay, is equal to. Okay, text is equal to. Then JavaScript alert. Okay. So in double quotes, not single quotes, never type. I'm telling you, in automation or development, right? Never type. That's the golden rule. Never type. Okay. So double click this guy. Okay. And paste it like this. Like this. Okay. Now, once you do this, okay, where you need to do, I'll clear now. Now that we have done successfully, now I'll clear everything. Now, somewhere here, somewhere you click here, somewhere, don't click here, something it will open it up, open. Somewhere you click here, okay, and do Control F. Control F, you will see a search bar coming in the bottom. Search bar coming in the bottom. If you go here and type Control F, search bar you are getting, right? Okay. Now, that thing is there. Now you have written that syntax, right? Okay. That syntax you have written, right? Okay. That you paste it here. Okay, you can directly type it. I'm showing for easier. If you type it here, no, two things you have to observe. Two things you have to observe. Darren, what are the two things we have to observe?
How many elements it is, sir?
Okay. So one is this will be highlighted because you did this circus for this element, right? So this element should be highlighted for 2-3 seconds. 2-3 seconds it will be highlighted for, you have to observe here, okay? 2-3 seconds it will highlight. That is one indication that it is Paka address. Second indication that it's a Paka address, somewhere around here you will find 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Again, I'm telling courier guy only. We are doing like courier guy only. 1 of 1 will come. What if 1 of 3 is coming? Of course, 1 of 3 will also come to the courier guy also. Bangalore, Kearpuram, Devsandra, 4th cross, 5th main, Sai Teja apartments, 3 floors. Address is correct. First floor, second floor, or third floor. 1 of 1, sorry, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Like that, the address we have to give, right? Slash. Same thing here also. 1 of 1 means only 1 is there and that guy you have got it. That is the meaning, 1 of 1. So in the interview also they'll ask how will you handle 1 of many. That also we'll see slowly, not because today's class what I'm doing, right? From next time onwards when I do, right, from tomorrow's, I'll be directly doing the X path. You have to catch it. That means you have to practice a lot today only on X path. Just go to any website and check whether you are getting 1 of 1 or 1 of 2 you are getting, or 1 of 45 also you may get. Don't panic. Go to any element and try to find the X path. Okay. So with your permission, can I paste here? Can anybody tell me what are the two things that we need to observe? One is highlight of 2-3 seconds here of that web element, and 1 of 1 somewhere around here it will come. So with your permission, Control V I'm pressing. First observe top one, because 2-3 seconds, right? It will be over if you are focusing here. This will stay. This will stay. So this you observe. Okay. So Control V. See, are you observing both of them? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll press enter again. You see, first green color that you see JavaScript alert 1, 2, 3. Now you see the bottom 1 of 1. That means bang on, spot on. You have got the address. Now, if you give this address by any of the 8 ways, okay, how? Driver, that is object oriented, right? We told, like for example, one kid is there, kid is born, his name only they have given some name, Anil, Sunil, whatever. Then that guy is only going to UKG, LKG, sorry. Okay, and then that guy is only going to 5th standard after some time, and that guy is only going to college, and then that guy is only marrying. Guy means boy or girl, okay, and that guy is having kids, and the generation like that. So entire story is about that only. That is object oriented. Okay, like that. You open the browser. In that browser, you gave the website, and in that website, now you're finding this. That is object oriented. Okay, so in this page, you are finding an element. Okay, and can anybody tell me how many different ways of finding, locating an element? Just now I told.
By ID?
No, but how many ways? How many ways? That's why please listen to the question.
8 ways. 8
Okay,
ways.
okay. I'll ask you one question, everybody. Okay, everybody, and I want the answer in less than 1 second. 1 second, I need the answer. Okay. I'll ask you one question. Less than 1 second, I want everybody to answer. How many of you are strong in maths? Okay. Oh, this is not the question. You people are very strong in maths, right? You people have done a lot of things and all those things. So I'll ask you one question. Okay. You people have to answer immediately. Okay. Do you know what is 99 plus 7?
106.
6.
106.
Yeah. That's why I told you, listen to the question. I asked, do you know? If you know, you tell yes. If you don't know, you say no. Understanding, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what I'm telling. That's a, do you know what is 99 plus 7? I told. You may know, you may not know. Okay, so if you know, you tell yes. If you don't know, you tell, I didn't ask what is, right? I asked, do you know? Okay, so like that, okay. So please, listen to the question also. Okay, now by dot, okay, by dot. How many different ways we can do? 8 different ways, right? I asked how many different ways? 8 different ways. What are the different ways? We can tell ID name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, XPath, CSS selector. Fatafat in an interview you have to tell. They will think, okay, every day at least 10 scripts this person is writing. That feeling, perception, interviews are cleared through perception more than the knowledge alone. Very good knowledgeable person, practical also may not clear the interview. Average guy with very good presentation. A book is judged by the cover, a chocolate by the wrapper, right? People judge through emotions and justify logically. Okay. So driver.find element by dot XPath. XPath. And that thing, whatever khichdi we have done, right? That thing, if you give, now this should work. Okay. So whatever it is, it should work. Okay. It will exactly go to that element. It will exactly go to that element. Okay. That is the meaning. Okay. Now we will do that. We'll do that. You people are understanding, right? What I'm telling? Yes, no, little bit.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So please be active. This is the most important class of your entire career. Every day I tell like that. Otherwise, people will run away, right? Yeah. By dot XPath like this. Listen carefully. Okay. This is not required. This is also not required. Okay. So, and this is your, sorry for that, this is your single quotes. If I see here, it's single quotes, double quotes, both working. Okay. Text is equal, fine, yeah. And then okay, let me try here with single quotes. Single quotes. Let me try here with single quotes. Okay. Let me press the enter. Okay. So here it is working, but there it will not work. Okay, if you give double quotes. So inside double quotes, you give like this and close this one and do this. Okay. One more bracket you have to close. Why one more bracket? Because this is opening bracket. This is also opening bracket, but only one closing parenthesis is there. So one more. So if you go to that button, that link, do we need to do send keys or do we need to do click?
Click.
Click, right? Because it's a link. So click. Press enter. That's it. That's it. Okay. Now if I go here, run as, it will go and click that button. It will go and click that button. Browser, maximize. Website will open after 2 seconds like this. It will click on the JavaScript alert and 3 things will come. Till here, everybody understood, right? Till here, everybody understood. Darren, Deepak, Malini, Priyanka,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajiv, Finita, okay, Shruti, yeah, Sadhika, yeah. So now my next job is to click this. Same thing now. Now little fast. अब तक slow motion में गया, अभी थोड़ा fast. Okay, so right click, inspect. Okay. Another way, this time I'll use all like this only. / button, text is equal to this guy, will use. Again, I'll write the syntax here, otherwise I'll forget. So / tag name, okay. Text is equal to single quotes, that value I have to give, okay. Text ka value. And this thing I will paste it in driver.findElement and do a click. So what I'll do here, I'll click here and do a Control F, and I'll again tell inspect this, and here I will tell tag name is button / button, text is equal to this guy in single quotes. Okay, so / button text is equal to single quotes mein. Yes or no? 2 seconds highlight happened, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 1 of 1, that means pakka address. Pakka address. So always give single quotes here, not double quotes. Okay. So you go there, but here you have to give double quotes. Okay. Here you have to give double quotes. So now the same page, you are finding the element by dot. So many ways are there. Alphabetically, they're giving class name, CSS selector, ID, link text, name, partial link text, tag name, XPath. These are the 8 different ways of locating the element. This time also I'm using XPath. So XPath, when you are using, you have to give an expression. Okay, I'll tell what is expression. See, you are giving a very long thing, right? That is expression. Okay, and then should I type something or click the button?
Click the button.
Click the button, right?
Click the button.
Very good. Bilkul, bilkul. See, now you people are understanding. This is very easy. Entire Selenium is like that only. Little bit here or there, new concepts are coming, but this is the core thing. Okay. So now let me clear this guy. So just again a recap. Browser will open, 2 seconds wait, maximize, 2 seconds wait, website will open, 2 seconds wait. You'll find that JavaScript alerts in the left side, that thing, and you're clicking it, 2 seconds wait, and then you're finding the first button, blue color wala, and then you're clicking it. If you do that, one alert will come with only OK button. Okay, only OK button, one alert will come. One model window will come. They are called alerts, pop-ups, or notifications. So, action. Browser. Maximize. Website. Then left side wala click. Then first button click, and it should listen to you. It should listen to you. That is automation. It takes little time to automate. But once you automate, you can use it 1 crore times also. That is the advantage. Saturday, Sunday, holiday leave, 24 cross 7 cross 365 days. And any number of days, but provided the UI doesn't change. But UI will change because it is business. Flipkart, today mobile ka discount, tomorrow TV ka discount. Day after tomorrow, Diwali flash sales. So we are working in an agile methodology. New requirements will come, existing requirements will get modified, obsolete or old requirements will be deleted and defect fix. Lot of changes will happen. That is why people are moving to Playwright. Because Selenium maximum 6-7 scripts you can write, but Playwright 25-30 even more also you can write because it is also integrated with AI. And Playwright is meant for browser engineering. Okay. Tomorrow there is a Playwright class starting at morning 8:05, 8:05. Because there is one more batch. After that, Playwright Vikas sir is taking. Okay. So he has got very good experience. He's a very practical guy. Okay. So if anybody wants to attend, if you think that you will not get confused, okay, or you can attend next batch also, that's also fine. Okay. Now, I want to see, this is a model window now. This is a model window. I cannot do anything. That means I have to, okay, I have to switch to this. I have to switch to this. What? Somebody was waiting. Okay. I have to, my control is here. My control is here. Okay. My control is here. Okay. From this web page, I need to go to this thing. I need to switch. Can anybody tell me what is the method to switch? Driver dot switch to.
Switch to dot.
Very good. 3 places where you can switch. What are the 3 places you can switch? Usually alerts, frames,
Windows.
Windows. Very good. Very good, Malini. So driver dot switch to alert. Driver dot switch to alert. And to click on OK, there was a method. Which method it is? To click on OK, there was a method, right?
Accept.
Fantastic. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. So copy this because we need to wait. So again, that same web page, driver dot switch to. Okay. Double click it. Okay. Then alert. Okay. Press enter also. That's also fine because it's highlighted. Alert. Press enter like this. If I put a dot, I went to alert now. That chota white color ka model thing is there, no window. I went here. Now my control is here. It is no longer below 1. It is here. You have already switched to. And accept. Then it will click on the OK. Am I doing really slow or is it okay? Slow chal raha hai kya class?
Is okay.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, right? Because starting, right? I want everybody to be hands-on. So that is why accept. This will make you click on OK button. To click on OK. To click on OK. button, okay, on the alert. Now, if you run this, you will get browser maximize website. Left side click, first button, OK click. Below you see, you clicked an alert. See, you clicked an alert. Okay. Now this time I'll click the second button. So second button, if I have to click, then I have to do the second button ka X path. Okay, so bring that guy here. So second button ka X path. So / button text is equal to this guy. / button text is equal to single quotes. Like this, if I do close bracket, square bracket, 1 of 1, and then highlight. See, highlight first. Highlight, you see the thing like this. Then 1 of 1 will stay there. Don't worry. Highlight will go away. Pakka address. But what I want to do, after clicking the JavaScript alert, okay? After clicking the JavaScript alert, first button I clicked, right? I'll tell that I didn't click. I didn't click. This is the equivalent of I didn't do it. Okay? Commented, right? Compiler will ignore. By .xpath. Now second button ka address we verified 1 of 1 came. Should we type or click? Which I think we should click. Now thread.sleep. Okay. 2 seconds. Although it is not recommended thread.sleep. Now this will click the button. This will click the second button like this. But to go here and click cancel, this time I want to click cancel. I can click this also, accept, but this is dismiss method. So driver.switch to alert dot dismiss. Again, driver.switch to alert, dismiss. Okay. If you see here, you clicked cancel, that will come. Okay. That you have to test, not now, later on. So driver dot switch to dot alert dot what was that method to click on cancel?
Dismiss.
That's it. Very good. Thank you for telling. So cancel button, interview questions. Okay, cancel button, dismiss method. Okay, now this will do it. I didn't click on the first button directly after JavaScript. I'm clicking on the second button. One second. Browser will come, maximize website. Left side, second button. Done, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Nobody?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Now right click here, inspect third button also you do. So third button also same thing. Okay, practice it. Okay. So you go here and again highlight, again do this. So this is the third button. Do a control F here, / button. Done, 1 of 1, pakka address. Control X, go here. As if I have not clicked on the second button also. After JavaScript alert, I'm clicking on the third button now. Hands-on very important in development. We are also developers. We are developing the code, right? So from the testing standpoint, okay. So hands will shake if you don't. It happens to every cricketer also. That's why even on the match day they do the net practice. Okay, even for a tabla instrument also they have to do that rehearsal. Otherwise the blood flow will not come. That hand-eye coordination will not come in a flash of a second. Okay. So driver.find element by.xpath.click. Okay, that is fine. Now I need to type something. Driver.switch to dot alert. To type something, this is the method. I will tell hi. Okay, hi. So once I do hi, I also need to click on the OK button. If I do this, I will type hi. I will click on the OK button. Okay, otherwise it will not go right. But one thing, these websites are meant for practicing for beginners. They are not so robust. So when I automate, right, it will not come here. But once you click here and you check the bottom, here the high will come. Okay. So you'll see in automation because the website is not so robust. Okay. Now I will have to give driver dot. There is a thing which I don't agree. You are already in the alert and you typed. Why should you again switch to? There should be a method chaining. Send case to driver.switch to alert method chaining, right? Again, you have done send case. Then you do the accept there also, right? But it doesn't do like that. Okay, alert. You have to give accept here. Browser, maximize website. With this, I'll stop and we'll connect again tomorrow. Okay. So browser, maximize website, left side JavaScript alert. Then high will not be visible, but below you are seeing. Okay. Yeah. Thanks everyone for your time. You people understood, right? Something at least, if not 100%, at least 50% you understood. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Remaining 50% you will get by what you call practice only. There is no substitute to practice. There is no substitute. I have seen wonderful careers getting destroyed because of only one thing, practice. Okay. And please target by July 20th, 100 Selenium small programs like this. Small programs. This you can take it as three programs also. That is also fine. Okay, 3 programs we have done, right? Yeah. Thanks everyone for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.